Okay, so our top drawer, it's all our sockets, ratchets, all from quarter to half inch, your Allens, your Torx, all that kind of stuff. And right here we have all our standard wrenches, all the way up to 1.25 inch, ratcheting wrenches, line wrenches. And then we have our metric wrenches, same thing, just in metric. Here is our, I would call it our electrical drawer. So we have trailer light cord testers, crimpers, strippers, pliers, hose cutters, electrical test tools. And here is your impact. They allow you to have an electric impact with impact sockets, grinders, air drill, hose picks. Then you got your hammers and pry bars, punches and chisels. And you have multimeter, amp clamp, meter lead extensions. And have all your screwdrivers and scrapers and hose picks, vice grips, side cutters, pliers. Your brake adjustment tools, tire pressure, gauges, mirror, tire tread depth, files and clutch adjustment tools. Here's your miscellaneous drawers. You got your thread bolt gauges, your dial indicator, flashlight, thread tape. And here's where you keep all your cans. So you got soapy water, then all your different cans, brake clean, PB blaster, stuff like that.